What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ghost V6, man. I'm back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Hey, man, I was supposed to drop this video a long time ago, but something came up and my footage got messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and film my part. I already got Scotty Black part with this car audio, but we're going ahead and drop it, man. Y'all see that thing in the back, man? It's sitting real pretty. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this banger real quick, man. See.
Also the same setup is in the back, and then also in the back, man, I'll show y'all. Also in the back, I did add, you know what I'm saying? I did add y'all the speakers in the back, right there. You know what I'm saying? Those are three-way speakers with two dome tweeters in the middle. Added two 3.5 clubs right there, man. So that's my whole setup for the guys that don't know. But most of y'all should already.
And what do you got in the front door?
In the front door, I got three same. I'm running speakers, the same speakers that I'm running in the back that run in the front. Those are three-way speakers, and those are Club JBLs, man. So it is a link. It is it's a link in my channel for those Club speakers, man. So y'all go on there, purchase y'all some of them. That's gonna help the channel out. That's gonna help your boy out, man. So let's get into this video, man.
Y'all see this too.
This build, you know what I'm saying? Now we hear mine. We gonna see, you know what I'm saying, which one sounds clear, man. So, you know, he wanted to test his out against mine. I wanted to see mine against his to see what it sounds like, man. To see if it's really.
And y'all see this thing, man.
The upgrade on this sound system.
Got the decals in the back. Oh, Ghosty right there. We're playing Kingkale. I'll drop his IG in my description. We're gonna walk back and see what it sounds like.
I can't see a hater. Nah, I don't need a favor. All I need is space. Yes, sir. Tryna run a chick up. Tryna be the best up. If I'm not, then guess what? They can't stop us this time. Like a lot of Franklin. Diamonds on my fingers. Like I'm hot and famous. Like I'm out the chamber. Like I'm out the chamber. Can't believe this shit. Get rich, die trying.
Yeah, that sounds really clear.
I can run this setup in 3 guys charges. Way better speakers than the car sound way better. This right here, man, that's a budget.
Now we're changing on the mission. You gotta keep my things.
Yeah, about the same spot right here. Your sounds more clear.
Yeah, you can hear every word he says. And we way back there. Hey,
I'm pretty sure we can walk.
We can walk back just a little bit more. So y'all won't think this down. We got to already do some video about myself, but now we got somebody else changing. So like I said, if anybody want to change me,
Dang, what's that?
right now, video. You know what I'm saying? How rude of her. Yeah, come on, man. Damn, look how far we are.
Yeah, we're pretty far. I say we are good.
I can't wait to see how it sounds on the break back there.
Kingkale, I don't give a fuck. But we're gonna go ahead and walk back, see what it sounds like. Do I need to do the upgrade or do I need to keep my factory speakers, man? This video would tell me what I need to do. I got all the bass cut out. I got the mids and the highs up. You know, we're pretty far back. I'm gonna keep going. About all the wind, man, but my bad about all the wind, but you should be able to hear something. But according to the other video, man, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and do the speaker upgrade to the JBLs or a different brand. But I do got a couple videos coming for y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned. This your boy Ghosty V6, man. I'm out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Big thanks 2020, man.